Alright, so I'm doing injectors on a 2000 Chevy 3500 with a 7.4 Vortec 454. I'm just going to show you a couple things that I couldn't find online and hopefully save somebody a little time. So obviously you have to take the upper intake plenum off. To get that off, you have to take the EGR tube off. That nut and the fitting are both 1 3/8". I heated mine up with a MAP gas torch and threw a big wrench on it. Kind of a pain in the butt, but it comes off. Here's the wrench. Got 2 of them on Amazon for $13 a piece, and definitely saved the day. Other thing is taking the fuel rail off. I saw a couple of people say that you absolutely need to take the fuel rail off, and it's a pain in the ass because there's one bolt in the front, one right there, and where's the other one at? Back there. And there's also 2 by the regulator, and one of them is underneath the distributor. So you have to pull the distributor to get that bolt out. But if you take these front 3 out and just pry up on it, you can pry this up high enough to get the back 4 injectors out and in without too much of a hassle. So save yourself the pain of taking the distributor out and putting it back in, because I've done that before and it sucks. Anyway, got the new injectors in, rear and front, and I'm going to start finishing the reassembly. One other thing quick is these little tabs that hold the injectors in. I think that's what people reference when they say you can break them off pretty easily. I used a pick tool right here and a screwdriver, flat blade, just to kind of slowly pry them up. I did break one and I zip tied it. Feels like it'll be plenty snug, so we'll see how it goes. Peace.